Hello, I'm making a tutorial about the multi-time frame supply and demand indicator that is unique to RTM. What we're seeing here in the chart is basically all analysis of the nearby levels for each and every time frame that we analyze. So we're seeing the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the H4 and the H1 according to our own analysis. The colors indicates where price is going from and to where, and where are the main levels that we have marked. So all reds are the supplies, blue are the demands, pink or light blue, turquoise, it's the direction of where price is coming from. In this case, price coming from demand to supply, and on H4 and up, in this case, price is traveling from supply to demand on all the higher time frame. In this instance, we have a main trend of price going from supply to demand, and currently we are in a counter trend in lower time frame in H1. So I will show you how you set up this kind of analysis and have this multi-time frame view of supply and demand. So basically, we're going to drill down from high time frame to low time frame, and I'll show you step by step how we do it. So just one note: don't take the way I mark supply and demand for this tutorial, because it's not real analysis, and it's not the way I do analysis. It's just for the sake of illustration of the indicator, not for analysis. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the rectangle tool, and we're going to mark the first supply of a monthly. We are in a monthly time frame, and we're going to change the name, not the description, the name, to monthly supply. And then we're going to make a monthly demand. Once we have both supply and demand and the indicator is running, we're going to have this bar, and we can now drill down to weekly. And in weekly, we do the same. We find the next first supply, and it's W1 supply. W1 demand. And now we have two bars, one for supply, one for demand. Drill down to daily. In daily, we have this daily one supply, and fresh demand, close fresh demand is here. Daily one demand, and now we have three bars. We continue H4. H4 supply. H4 demand. Okay, and this way we have we can continue and do as many as the platform provide us, up to M1. Let's do just one more. Now we're in H1 demand. Supply. And H1 demand. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, 5 time frames and we have them in an instant view. We can see it wherever we are in. We see where we are located in the main in the bias of other time frames. One more feature in this thing, in this indicator, is we added compression. So if we want to, let's say we have on H4, we have a compression. Let's find a compression somewhere. Okay, in H4 we might want to mark this area as compression. Okay, and so we call it for the compression we use it in the description, not in the name, and we name it H4 CP compression. And then we're going to have on the H4 bar, we're going to have this little mark to show us it's a compression. While we go to lower time frame and prices coming up to here, we know that we're in a zone that is a compression for H4, even though we're looking at M5 time frame. So this is it, and I hope you make the best of it. Enjoy, and thank you.